So I want to talk about inositol. Okay, inositol is one of the B vitamins. It's vitamin B8. Okay, so it's really effective for insulin resistance. Now, this doesn't mean you can actually take this without fixing the diet, but I'm talking with the necessary change of healthy ketosis and intermittent fasting. Adding inositol could really greatly help you if you have pretty severe insulin resistance. One of the things that this has been known to help is polycystic ovarian syndrome and acne. Why? Because it improves insulin resistance, which is high insulin, which actually causes this in the first place. So by lowering insulin, you could definitely reduce the conversion into androgens, and that's what this condition is. It's high levels of androgens. You get facial hair, hair loss, deeper voice. So you can improve the ovarian function with inositol. Okay. It also decreases cholesterol, probably because it improves insulin resistance, which is behind high cholesterol. It also helps neuropathy, like in peripheral neuropathy, if you have damaged nerves at the bottom of the feet from high blood sugar problems. Again, because of what it's doing right here. Reducing risk for kidney stones is another great benefit. It will help your menstrual cycle. It will help in the production of neurotransmitters. And my guess is when you fix insulin resistance, you allow the amino acid to go into the cell because insulin controls the absorption of amino acids. So more absorption of the protein building blocks equals more ability to make neurotransmitters, which means less anxiety, less depression. So some people take this for depression, anxiety. In addition to doing healthy keto and intermittent fasting, I think if you have anxiety or depression and you take this, that would be a really great thing to do to speed things up. Now, the type I'm going to recommend would be something called IP6. You can get it online or at the health food store. Why? Because this has some additional really amazing properties to help someone decrease risk for fibroids, decrease risk for cancer, decrease abnormal cells. So IP6 is also a phytic acid, which is a very powerful antioxidant, which also is a chelator, so it'll help get rid of excess iron if you have too much. Okay, so that's inositol in a nutshell. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, I had a quick question. I'm thinking about doing a keto summit in Washington, D.C. this fall. And the reason I want to do it in the fall, that's my favorite time of the year where the leaves are falling. It's going to be gorgeous in Washington, D.C. And I wanted to know if you would be interested in coming out. So this way I have a chance to meet you and cover the entire subject of keto and intermittent fasting. So I haven't formulated all the details yet, but I just wanted to find out if you would be interested. I put a link down below. Let me know.